Hello and welcome to the full visual assembly of the FEIERDUN magnetic bike. Firstly, attach the stabilizer onto the main frame using 2 screws numbered 18, 2 dome nuts, 2 key head bolts and 4 washers. Once finished, insert the seat post into the main frame and secure the position with the adjusting knob. Attach the backrest onto the backrest frame and secure it using the spring washer and M8 45mm bolts, and make sure to tighten all 4 areas. Insert the handlebar into the slot with bolt numbered 24, washer numbered 12 and a nylock nut. Next, assort the seat with the seat post. Adjust the angle of the seat, then fix tightly with 3 nylock nuts and washers numbered 21. Tighten the pack frame onto the seat post using 2 carriage bolts numbered 23. Before inserting the handlebars, connect connector A and connector B together, then insert the handlebars. Screw tightly 4 screws numbered 10 and flat washers numbered 11 onto the side of the main frame. Once completed, you are now ready to go and exercise and work out on our magnetic bike. Thank you for watching our full visual assembly of the FEIERDUN magnetic bike.